Hello. Today I would like to demonstrate my AI sales ecosystem project built within NA10, OpenAI, Zoho CRM, Google Sheets, and Telegram. The solution consists of the connected workflows. Here you can see the first workflow, AI lead qualification. The first workflow starts with the chat trigger. An AI agent communicates with the potential customer and qualifies the lead using the BANT framework. During the conversation, the agent collects customer's name, email, phone number, budget, authority, business need, and implementation timeline. When all required information is collected, the AI calculates a qualification score and it automatically creates a new lead in Zoho CRM. Let's try to do that. I got prepared a chat message. So let's start and take a look what our agent is going to answer us. Thanks, John. Can I get a phone number to reach you? Sure, let's provide him some phone number. Chatbot or someone. Yes. Let's imagine that I am a decision maker. Um, so he's asking us what is chatbot that we want. Let's tell him that this is should be useful improvement. Okay, so when all required information is collected, as I've said, AI calculates the qualification score and automatically creates the new lead in Zoho CRM. The chat session ID is also saved into the Skype ID field. This allows the other workflows to access the conversation later. After the conversation finishes, as you can see, new lead has been created. Okay, uh, let's take a look at the second workflow. This is conversation analysis or dialogue analyze. The second workflow runs automatically every day. It retrieves all leads from Zoho CRM for every lead that contains a session ID. It loads the complete chat history from the Postgres chat memory. Then another AI agent analyzes the conversation. So it identifies the customer problems, agent mistakes, successful conversation patterns, missing qualification information, improvement recommendations, and assign a conversation quality score. The analysis results are automatically saved into the Google Sheets. Here you can see the generated analysis table with some previous executions. A final AI agent analyzes both data sources and yeah, both data sources and generates the executive sales report. Um, this is it. So report includes key business problems, the main sales bottleneck, manager performance, recommendations, and executive summary. Um, Let me show you an example of the report that has been sent to the Telegram. Here is an example of weekly report based on the previous executions. So here you can see the main problems described, bottleneck, and recommendations what to do for the managers. So, this project demonstrates a complete AI-powered sales ecosystem. The workflow are connected using the session ID stored in Zoho CRM, allowing the system to track the customer journey from the first conversation to executive reporting. Thanks for your watching.